It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese.
Tacobot 3000. Serving up the tacos, get 'em hot, hot, hot. Tacobot 3000. When you want some tacos, call the Tacobot, Tacobot. When you need a whole lot of tacos, expertly created by a robot at the highest level of quality. Tacobot, artificial taco intelligence for maintaining maximum deliciousness with the latest cheese dispensing technology. Tacobot, 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 Tacobot,
Evil villains trying to stop him, wanna crush his shells and steal his toppings. Taco flavor keeps on rocking. Taco butt keeps Taco butting.
in the world from